Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of my new Winter Bounty series that was recently uploaded to my Etsy shop. It consists of 4 kits. So there's kit 1, the journal pages, and it's 37 pages. Then there's kit 2, the coordinating pages. Isn't that beautiful? And it's 38 pages, and this is one of the pages in it. I just love it. Then there's kit 3, which is pattern pages, and there's 34 pages in that kit. And as you can see, these can be used for any blue projects that you have. It doesn't have to be necessarily just for the Winter Bounty kit, and you'll find a lot of the kit is that way. And then we have kit 4, which is the ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, tickets, and a whole bunch of bits and bobs and really cool embellishments. And that is 45 pages. So 4 kit series. So we now have a summer's bounty, a fall bounty, a winter bounty, and a spring bounty. So we have all the seasons covered. You can find all of the flip throughs for all of the digitals that I've just mentioned in the description box below. Kit 3, the pattern pages, consists of 34 pages, and all of them are in the 3 shades of blue that are represented in the kit. And there is no snow or snowflakes in this one. So all 34 pages could be used for any project where you'd like a little bit of blue pattern. So we start here with the damask and the darker blue. And then we have it here in the medium blue. And then we have it in neutral with the damask being blue. So we have that group. Then we have this scroll. Love this pattern. Dark blue, medium blue, and then the neutral with the scroll being in blue. Super pretty. Then we have some florals with some ledger script behind it, and then without the ledger script, so it's a non-directional pattern. We have our stripes. There's more dark blue in this stripe, and then there's a lot more light blue in this stripe. Then we have some plaid here in the dark, the medium, light, and then neutral. We have this pattern here. This is the large pattern. Then we have it in a medium, and then we have it in a tiny. So this is our dark version. Then we have it in the medium and the tiny for the medium blue. Super pretty. Really like it a lot. It's very subtle, soft. Then we have it in the neutral with the pattern being blue. Yeah, I really like it a lot. And this is my favorite page. Oh, I just love this page so much. So pretty. And then we have some swirls going on here in the dark blue and then the medium blue. Polka dots, dark, medium, and you guessed it, light. Come on. These are my favorite pages as well. They come in 3 different shades of the blues as well, but the script in behind each of them is different. So we have this one here, medium blue with the dark blue, and then the script is dictionary page in white. Then we have it here without the script, so it's non-directional. Super pretty. Then we have it here with the neutral, and then the scroll is, or damask, I'm not sure what you'd call it, but the pattern anyways is blue. And it's a blue handwriting. And our non-directional version. And then we have it here in the lighter blues with the dictionary again, but the dictionary is in a dark blue. And there it is, non-directional, no script. And then we have a lovely piece of graph paper for more writing and backing of your tags. So that's the kit 3 pattern pages. 34 pages in total. The links to all of the kits can be found below, as well as the flip through links for each of them. And don't forget to subscribe to the Junk Journal Studios YouTube channels and Instagram for lots of inspiration using the studio's digitals.